My name is Rahima Adida Jaldeesaa, Member of Parliament from Kenya Parliament. I represent the people of Isiolo County. I am here with the elders from Isiolo, Tana River, and the whole of Oromia region in Kenya. I want to say this is a very historical day, a day where after 150 years, Oromo nation are able to come at this ground of Fifine and celebrate. We in Kenya, we feel so proud that for the first time in 150 years, the Oromos are really here and they're united. We have our dignity back. We have shown the world that we can be united and we can be anything. My message is just one. Let this unity not only be here in Ethiopia. Oromo is from here all the way to Tana River, which is in Mombasa. We want to have one united Oromo nation. We want to empower our people economically. We want to empower our people in terms of education. We want to empower our women. I feel so proud because I'm elected a member of parliament. I want many women from Oromo to be elected members of parliament. We want to have many professors. We want to have many doctors. So my message to Oromo nation is let us protect our unity. Unity is a strength. I want to congratulate our Keros who have ensured that this community is united. Please, we have more that can divide us. We have more that can unite us other than divide us. Those small issues is always there. It is a teething problem. Let it be within us. I think we have ample land. We have enough resources here and even in Kenya. What is more important is for the unity. Let us not just put our people separate zones. Let us come together and be united. That's my message.